Hello everyone, welcome once again to this online class. We are discussing about the representation of geographical features, especially the physical features, relief features that is shown on the topographical map with the help of contour lines. So in this video we shall discuss about a pass, saddle, col and gap. So we will be discussing about these four physical features or relief features that is shown on the map. So let me first explain what are these definition of this different relief features. Pass, col, gap and saddle. These are drawn on the topographical map and they look bit similar. So you need to learn the definition of these relief features. First one is a pass is formed between two hills or mountains and serves as a land route across a mountain range. So pass means it is between two hills or mountains and that provides a route. The people can go from one side to other side of the mountains by walking. That is pass. You can see there are two circles of the contour lines, or it is known as head of the eye of the contour lines. So in this you can see is a gap. So gap is there, that means it is a pass. That means it is between two mountains and it is making or serving as a route for the people to pass from one place to other place. So it is likewise you can see. Then another one is there, a col. A col is formed between the ridge of a watershed and the drop in the height between two hills in a watershed and the height of the mountain range. So remember, it is the formed between the ridge or watershed of a watershed. You can see on the topographical map it is looking same like, but ridge is like peak of mountains which will be having the contour lines, uniformity of the contour lines both the sides, and watershed means it will be having one side the contours are close together and in one side it is far away from each other, gentle slopes will be there. So in that way you need to understand, but it will be having two circles in between that. So in that way you understand that it is col. But in this case, on the topographical map, it is confusion. All these three things can be written that is considered. Then you can have a saddle. A saddle is a shallow depression between two peaks. You can see in the picture, original picture, you can see a saddle is a depression, a shallow depression between two peaks. You can see this is a saddle. Two peaks are there, and it is a bit slanting ways it is shown. You can see there is no gap as you compare with the pass and this saddle. So that is steepness is more. You can see the contours are closely drawn. These are also closely drawn. That means it is saddle. Then we have a gap. Gap is a low depression close to the ground formed between a range of hills. You can see gap is also similar to pass that looks on the topographical map with the help of contour lines. It is a low depression close to the ground. On the ground low depression is there and formed between a range of hills. A range of hills will be there, that is known as gap. But more accessible is pass, means through pass the people can go from one place to other place. It serves as the route between the mountains, and these are different relief features. So when you are asked on the topographical map to interpret the relief features, you can write all these four. If you are confused of writing it is a pass or you are not able to judge or interpret it is a pass or saddle, all four of that you can write, it will be considered because they look similar to each other, but the definition will be different. Learn the definition and that will be helping you to score the marks. So these are the relief features of this syllabus. You can see in the next video we shall discuss about the types of settlements or settlement pattern, and then we can do about the question answers. Hope it is clear. Any doubt, any queries are there, please do ask in WhatsApp. And many of you are sending the notes for corrections. Very good. I appreciate your great effort. And next, first week of May, you're asked to submit the notebooks. So be ready with prepared notebooks. All the PDF that is being given, you should complete side by side. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.